everyone, and welcome back to this video, my videos to Snow and the amazing channel of unboxing and gaming. No, I'm not. That's okay. So today is my yes, it's a great day. Today I'm unboxing a Witch Casket. Witch Casket is a UK subscription box to which they send me for a cost. If you live in the UK, this box isn't as much. It's like 20 some dollars and so about $30 US dollars. I don't remember what that was in pounds, but don't hate at me. If you get it shipped here, however, it does raise the cost because you do pay for the shipping. So I do get a $30 box, and here I do like to look at them in contrast. Unfortunately, I get one early in the month and I get one late in the month, so I never really have them at the exact same time to unbox them side by side, but it's the same kind of concept. You get, like, in this one has more ritual stuff, whereas my Witch's Roots has like incense and oil and stones, and so anyway, but this costs like 50 bucks, I think, or close to 46, 48. But plus the shipping, there's an extra fee in there because it's international. Other than the shipping costs, it's kind of a mess. I get charged like two charges for it. It's not the only box. Well, it's the only box that I do that with, but I do have like the Sims Resource does the same thing, where I get like charged for the Sims Resource, and then I get charged for an international fee. I guess it's a changeover fee. I don't know. So, but I do like this box. I like this box a lot. So, without further ado, we are going to unbox this. This happens to be this is December, so this is November's box. I did get it like the last week, right before Thanksgiving, but my birthday was on Friday as well, so I didn't get around to unboxing it then, so I am sorry. So let's jump in. I do love getting these boxes. So, this box is called the Coven Correspondence box for November. And it does state everything that it has in here, and it does tell you a whole lot of stuff. I do sit down and look through this and read it because I am a nerd. But let's jump in. The first item I got was a piece of artwork. The artwork is kind of neat. It is by Faudine. It's right here. So check that out. This is A6 art print. She's really cute. I do like her. So I'm going to get her framed, I think. I'll put up on my wall somewhere. Right behind me. Just be like, okay. So this says it's the Coven Correspondence set, and on the back it does have a wax seal. But that's what it comes like. And see if I can pop this open without breaking the seal. Yes. So in this looks like, yes, it has some black envelopes and some blank kind of parchment papers. Ooh, I like that one. So they're different designs, but they're really nice. That way I can write my pen pals. I have so many. You know who you are. Oh, no, stick on it. Okay. I'm going to pop that back together. We'll set that aside. The next item says it's a creativity charm bag kit. So that's neat. What's in this one? Charm bag kit. cloves and basil, blue lace agate, white satin pouch, and instructions. So let's pop this open real quick. Hold on a second. Ooh. There's my blue agate. It's just a small little piece. It's okay, I have a few. Okay. My basil tells me the number up there on the corner. The white satin pouch, which that's nice. So there's clothes in here. Oh, there we go. There's my clothes. And instructions, which would be this. So I will hold this up for a second so you guys can take a look at it. That way, if you want to try it, you sure can. You can pause it, write it down. I know it's kind of crooked. My OCD is getting to me. So there's that item. That is neat. So the next item is the Witch Casket little lapel pen that you get. And I like it. I do. But then I write, so. Okay. So then we have a tea. It is a creativity blend tea. I like how it says creativity blend. But it says that it is a green tea. It doesn't tell me what else is in it. I do like it. They sent me one of those little things that you put the teas in, and I do use it. So the next item, what's this? This says it's the wax sealing kit. I don't really know how to use a sealing kit. I mean, I'm sure it'll give me all the instructions that I would need. Oh yes, there's little instructions right there. But it gave me the little wax things so that I can seal my own envelopes, and a little candle to burn them on, and the little spoon. So that's neat. And then the instructions on how to use all of it, which I'm going to need. If I don't catch everything on fire trying to use it. Okay. And then I got like a little stationery box that says Magic Within You, and it's just a little wooden box to hold your little pen on your little desk or whatever you write on. The next item I got is the wax seal. Sorry, my dog is moving around. So there is the wax seal that they gave me, and it's really nice. It's kind of heavy, but I really like it. So that'll be interesting. I've never actually had a wax seal. Thought about it, but I've never had it. The next item, you get a lot of items in this box. I really like getting all these items. Is a Lapis Lazuli. You know, everybody's going to make fun of me that I cannot say that stone, but I have never been able to say the last name of that stone. It'd be helpful if I could hold it still. There's that. I think I have like 4 of these But this might be the biggest one I've ever had. I have quite a bit of a big stone collection. I can't wait to have a place to like just. So the last items. Oh, there's a few more items in here. I get a Seek Magic bookmark. It's kind of leathery. I like that. It's got little fringe. That's neat. Angel Touch incense. So that's quite a bit of incense too. Ooh, it smells good. How many incense stick is in this? They just threw Stanford it Stamford incense in there. It doesn't. There's 15 sticks in here. So I guess they didn't stick the same flavor in everybody's. I don't know, but it says 15 beautiful sticks of incense. And the last item that is in here is the parchment. The parchment's the hardest thing for me to show off, but we're gonna try. I feel like I'm so. I went to Hogwarts. Here's my scrolls. Okay, so we're gonna try to line this up so that you can look at it. But there's that. My eyes does not see things good enough. I will try my best to like hold it straight and everything. I am watching it and everything, but I completely suck at this part. And then at the bottom. Ooh, crooked. Alright. So you can pause it in those sections and look that over. Write down whatever you want to for your personal use. And that is my witch casket for November. I do really like this stuff. I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love this. And I love getting incense. I've never had a wax kit, so that'll be neat. And I got a cool bookmark and stones and tons of fun stuff. So if you happen to enjoy this or you're looking at getting it, links are always in the description. I get nothing off for saying that, but I will promote the product. I do enjoy getting it. If for some reason they don't have it available at that I'm good. If they don't have it available at that specific time, just email me when it's available, and you can get an email from them. That's what I did when I wanted it. I just send them an email and be like, hey, can you email me and tell me when this is available next? It was really easy. So, but that is my witch casket for the month of November. I do have an idea of a let's play I'd like to film, and then I should be getting my December boxes here soon. It's almost Christmas, and that is just weird how fast 2020 has flown by. Like, it's gone. It's gone. And maybe everything that happened with 2020 will stay with 2020. That's what I hope for, at least. But I don't foresee that happening. However, I hope you all had a fantastic time laughing at me. And I hope that you have a fantastic, awesome day. And I will see you, or you will see me, in the next video. You can always hit the subscribe and like buttons, the bell button, all that fun jazz. But yeah, that's all I have today, and I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.